Singer, that is Isaac Isinde, who drops onto the bench. The referee looks very much set, and that is Isaac Isinde, who drops onto the bench. The referee looks very much set, and guess what? One against number 14 until the start times. Uganda Premier League Loge shorty counter today. Mugulusi, good corner wall brought in by Mugulusi, header almost there. What a chance today. Mugulusi, good corner wall brought in by Mugulusi, header almost there. What a chance. Mugwa Basham on the control is Ajo Emmanuel. Well, a good chance, the shot taken. Oh, that's much there from the Busoga. Back to Douglas. It's now BUL Football Club, and Douglas Muganga support Kasonko trying to chase Murray. Crosses in, a chance to go for goal, but rattles off the crossbar. Support Kasonko trying to chase Murray. Crosses in, a chance to go. Simon trying to go that for heavy long down to the right hand side. Nicholas Murray trying to defend that one, but trying to cross. Chua trying to stretch, goes for the right hand side. A cross comes in there from Regan Kariwa, and not forgetting that, of course, BUL FC, since losing to UPD Football Club in November, the man handling the game today, Lucky Kasalire, calling on for that match to be played by the Busoga side. A shot here from Mugulusi Ibrahim, almost by Martin Aprim. As a lovely give and go Aprim to the bar line. Cross comes in very powerful. It could be that header there from Busoga trying to possess. Oh, another dummy challenge here. Goalkeeper out of his own office, and Ikara in for the challenge. Oh, Dafa looks for the support around. Kaiwa Ibrahim, all pressing hard here for this kind of a challenge. A cross comes in, punched away by the hands of a top defender standing onto his toes. It's Ronald Oti. Very fine dribble this time around. Chitata trying to go and try let the ball inside. A cross now from Chitata could be powerful to the back door. Oh, not forgetting the throw-ins for Busoga this season. A cross header over the bar. Corner for BUL FC into this game. Mugulusi corner brought in a header. What a fantastic header from Chitata Alex Benzema to give the Ginger Bulls the lead. Chitata into this game. Mugulusi corner brought in a header. What a fantastic header from Chitata Alex Benzema to give the Ginger Bulls the lead. Chitata Alex Benzema scores first into this Eastern Ginger Derby. BUL FC squad into the 30th minute mark. Half an hour. Jeremy Tata quickly inside. Lovely goal. What a fantastic header from Chitata Alex Benzema to give the Ginger Bulls the lead. Chitata Alex Benzema scores first into this Eastern Ginger Derby. BUL FC 1, Busoga United 0. Squad into the 30th minute mark. Half an hour. Jeremy Tata quickly inside. Lovely goal. Finally, Martin Aprim. Oh, just first arriving is Regan Kaliwa. Cross comes in from Regan Kaliwa. Oh, it was really a good cross. Finally, Martin Aprim. Oh, just first arriving is Regan Kaliwa. Cross comes in from Regan Kaliwa. Oh, it was really a good cross. Nicholas Mwere. Nicholas. Kaliwa pushed onto the ground by Ngalo Fred. Have a chance here to make it to corner. Punched away by Weke. With a challenge to Salim Weke. This goes for the Ngalo Frederick. Another good chance here to Busoga. Ball cleared away. BUL FC a few questions. Kaiwa Ibrahim flicked on rightly. Busoga on a chase. Can they score the volley? Oh my goodness. BUL FC a few questions. Kaiwa Ibrahim flicked on rightly. Busoga on the chairs. Can they score the half volley? Oh my goodness! What? That ball inside to Chitata Alex Benzema, well recovered. And Jeremy Matalas Murray into the first 45 minutes. Leaking back is Martina Prima, loving the way he's handling the proceedings down to that side, because he has been really late. The red jersey creeping in for the handball. Referee didn't pick up the right kind of interest. And the red jersey creeping in for the handball. Referee didn't pick up the right kind of interest. And playing that ball around at the right wing, looking down to Martin Abrim, brought onto the ground. Wong is standing into the central defensive areas. I lead onto the logo. Powerful. Wong is standing into the central defensive areas. I lead onto the logo. Powerful. Mere Matata cross comes in. Busoga and Mugwa Basham could not find the tight and big zone. As we go to the near Madondo, trying to find and force his way. Good idea, though. Now Isaac Sinde could be now worried about on how he's taking that game. A shot! Good save from Tommy Kara! Isaac Sinde could be now worried about on how he's taking that game. A shot! Good save from Tommy Kara! Agremadre using his weaker right foot with the flick, looked upon, a chance for Busoga, off the line cleared. Agremadre using his weaker right foot with the flick, looked upon, a chance for Busoga, off the line cleared. When Busoga gained promotion into the first division, 15 games since 2016, when Busoga gained. Frederick Ngalo. The header comes in, Ajo, and a chance to find a leveler, not at this time. And when will Busoga United? Frederick Ngalo. The header comes in, Ajo, and a chance to find a leveler, not at this time. And when will Busoga United? Stephen Odonka non-control. Ronald Oti rising and heading. Ikara trying to come out of his goal office, but almost cleared. Kasonko. Stephen Odong. Give and go. Ngalo Frederick. And no time to waste. Yellow and green shirts around. Amadondo. Madondo Joel. Matata. Jeremy. Chiria. Jeremy. Ochora. Jeremy. Trying to place that ball in between the two central defenders. It's again Matata, player down. Alex Chitata, Jodo Gwait, 3 against 1. Chases on and Stephen on the ground. Mwere stretching to try pick up that challenge. Matata, Jeremy Obua will also go into the books of the center referee.